One of the biggest challenges we are seeing in the NetSuite space is a lack of ongoing training. Most users go live and then that's it. They stop learning. You have this powerful system, but the chances are you are not leveraging it anywhere close to its full potential. Today, I'm kicking off a short series to help fix that, starting with one of the most underused feature in NetSuite, saved searches. Saved searches are more than just a way to pull data. They are dynamic, reusable reports that can give you real-time insights, automate notifications, and even drive workflows. Here's why they are powerful. They can pull data from almost any record in NetSuite. You can set filters to show exactly what you need. You can display custom columns and calculations. You can create your own custom formulas. You can schedule them to email results automatically. Say, for example, I need to get the sales data every week. So you can schedule that as email. And once you understand the basics, you will use them everywhere. Okay, let's walk through creating a simple saved search. Let's start with the customers. Um, so this is the demo account, and here I have all the subsidiaries available, and I want to see only the list of customer belongs to one subsidiary, US West. So what I will do is I will go ahead and create a saved search, a customer saved search for this purpose. So I will go to a list, search, saved searches and new. So right now I'm in an administrator login or role. So based on your role, assigned role, the navigation will change. So if you can't find that option anywhere, then you can just simply type saved search in this global search. Now, since we are going to retrieve customer record information, we need to select the search type as customer. So I will go ahead and select customer. And the first thing, we can provide a title for our search since we are um, getting the list of all customer belongs to one subsidiary. I will enter customer list United States West. And after that, you can provide an ID for your search, but that's not mandatory. If you are not providing an ID, the system will automatically assign an ID. And we can check this public checkbox if you want to share this search to other users so they can also access this report or search. If not, you don't need to check that box. Okay, now coming back to the criteria or filters, we want to minimize the list of customers based on our preference or our requirement, which is to see the list of belongs to one subsidiary. So we can add a filter here under the criteria. Primary subsidiary. So I want to see the list of customer for US West. So I will select the subsidiary name from this list. So now we have added the criteria here. And after that, if we go to the results, these all are the data of that customer record, which we will see. And if you want to see an additional information, say for example, you want to see the subsidiary name also. So we can select that as well. Primary subsidiary no hierarchy. I have selected that one. So I can see the subsidiary name along with all those customers. And I don't want to see this information. So you can remove that as well. And we can click on save and run. And here we have the list, a saved search created. It was very simple. We have total 20 customers available in our US West subsidiary. And these all are the list of all those customers. And now we want to add one more filter. I want to see the list of customers which belongs to one particular sales rep. Say for example, like this customer, I want to see Will's all customer assigned to this particular sales rep, Will. So I will go ahead and edit this search. And on the criteria, I will select sales rep filter as well. So on the sales rep, here we are listing all the sales rep name, and I'm selecting Will and clicking on set and again clicking on save and run. Now we can see the result got reduced to 5. Only 5 customers has been assigned to one sales rep, which is Will. So this is how you can add more criteria and get the exact data that you want out from the system. So this is for customers. And if you go to your results and if you want to add another information, say for example, if you go to customer, okay, lead source. From which lead source you have got this customer. So you can just type that field name over here and and then you can select that data and click on add and save and run. And you get that data. Say for example, for the customer above client, we got that customer or that lead from add. Now let's go ahead and create a saved search for transactions. I want to see the list of all open invoices. Even though standard reports are available, like if you go to reports, sales, open invoices are there. I'm creating a saved search because I want to include few more information or few more data which is recorded on the invoice record. So let's go to list search, saved search as a new. This time I'm going to select transaction as a search type. So here we have the transaction. So it's a saved transaction search. So I'm going to provide the title open invoices. And so since I want to see only open invoices, I will select the criteria status. It's invoices. So I need to go to invoice section. So here you go. Invoice open. I want to see only invoices which are opened, and which are in pending approval also. So I have selected these two options, and I will put one more criteria, which is main line. Main line is used for avoiding the duplication of these invoice lines. And on the results, I don't want these options. I want one more information. So for example, let's put sales rep. I want this information also from the invoice record, sales rep. And I will go ahead and click on save and run. So a total of 42 open invoices are available. And these all are the invoices. And for example, I want to filter out by subsidiary. So we will go ahead to available filters and I will select subsidiary and show in filter region. And again, save and run. So now we have one filter added here. So I want to see the list of all open invoices which belongs to our US West subsidiary. So I'm selecting that one only. 22 invoices out of 40 or 42 belongs to US West alone.